Okay, so I decided to take care of the graphs at the end because that would be a little bit confusing because first we have to see that how we are going with the SPSS thing. Okay, so now first I will show you guys how to transport data from the Google form to SPSS, and here I have opened up my Google form. Okay, what I will do here, I will press this open in Excel sheet. Okay, and now this whole data is showing that whatever it is of your data is. What I will do is I will copy this data from here. If you have the original SPSS version, that is like the you have bought it, so it will be able to import this Excel file. But if you don't have one, you are using the crack version or stuff like that, you will need to copy paste. Okay. Okay. So this is the SPSS your working place. Okay, it's your working office in a way, I can say that. What it is showing, these are showing the variables. It's just like Excel, and these are showing the columns or the variable names. Okay, when I first downloaded it, I was just confused with why are these variables not showing, and I thought it's an error or some stuff like that, but it's not. Actually, it's not an error. Okay, so what I will do here, I will just write, I will make a variable. My first variable is, suppose it's gender. Okay, and then my second variable is age, and then my variable is, okay, it's asking me you cannot enter space. You just have to keep the letters. Gender, age, and then I have, suppose I have knowledge. Okay. The next one, it is saying that how should I identify this variable? And automatically SPSS is identifying this variable as numerical variable. I have no problem with it for now. I am not concerned with this thing. I am just concerned with the name, the label, the values, and yes, just that. In what is a label? Label is something that will come on your graphs, that will come in your manuscript, that will come in your article. Okay, or is it just something like where you can write the whole information? Here I have just used a keyword knowledge, but in the label I can use space, I can use brackets, I can use commas and anything like that. Knowledge about SPSS. Okay, and here I am making the variables. 0 means poor knowledge, add. 1 means good knowledge, and 2 means best knowledge. Okay. Similarly, here, gender of the participants, I can write whole what I want to write, or if sometimes there are whole statement, how are you feeling in the past few weeks? So I will not add this whole statement in my name section, okay? But I can add this whole statement in my label, okay? For the gender, I can write here 1 is male and 0 is female, or 2 is female. Similarly, for the age groups, I will make my variables according to my questionnaire. Okay, 0 to 10. Sorry, 0 value, that is age group 0 to 10. 1 age group 10 to 20. 2 age group 20 to 30. 3 age group, okay, that would be the last one, above 30. Okay, that's it, and I press OK. Okay, so what it will show me here, it has shown me that you have made these variables: age, gender, knowledge. Okay, and these are the same words that we have shown here. Instead of writing the whole knowledge about SPSS, these names are the codes that I can see. Okay, that are useful for me to identify this variable. Okay, so now I can write here 1, 2, and it is coding it automatically. Okay, I can even switch it that if I want it into one and two, one, two, one. If I am entering data manually, it's easier for me to write one, two instead of writing male, female, and stuff like that. Okay, so let me explore you guys a little bit also, then we will move on to our main stuff. In the file section, we have all the stuff that is more or less related to the file. Want to open a new file, you want to import data, open, save, and rename and stuff like that. Then we have in the this is the save, this is the print. What is it? Recall recently used dialogues. Run descriptive stats. We will be doing that in the next one. Find, split variables. Okay, and then in the edit section we have insert new variable, insert cases. In the view, the toolbars. Yeah, this is all the stuff you can explore later on. We will be using the transform and the analyze in the next session and the graphs. Okay. And yes, yes, that's it. Let's move on to the next session.